We're proud to present House Plan 7283. This design is perfect for those looking for a modern Craftsman home with plenty of curb appeal. And with 2,297 square feet, it's a great size for the average homeowner. The angled garage adapts to a corner lot, and it has a nice bright bonus room above too. You'll notice by its shape that this one-story layout, with the exception of the bonus, making it ideal for a variety of families. The rear of House Plan 7283 has tons of windows and a beautiful outdoor living space. Perhaps you want to take in great views or just enjoy the property you picked out. This home will help you take advantage of the sights from inside and out. Let's take a look at what the interior of this modern Craftsman home offers its owners. Step into the foyer and you'll see an office on the left. Conveniently located just inside, this space is perfect for at-home workers who need a place to focus. To the right from the foyer, you'll find a front hallway that stretches to the garage at the end. It includes a powder room and a walk-in pantry before you get to the stairs to the bonus. Then there's the laundry room, which is large and boasts tons of storage. A coat closet by the garage completes this hallway. When you go up the stairs, you'll see just how spacious the bonus is. Finish it how you want, whether the kids need their own playroom or you'd like a game or media room. Heading back down to the main living area, you'll find the kitchen through a wide cased entry with view of the front door. It has tons of countertop space to make meal prep and preparation a breeze, and it's designed for an extra wide refrigerator as shown here for families that need more cold storage. The island features bar seating, but there's also a dining room nearby for sit-down meals. With bright windows and an elegant chandelier, this space is ready to serve breakfast through dinner. You'll find access to the outdoor living space here as well. Just imagine kicking back on this dramatic covered patio and dining al fresco on beautiful days. The cathedral ceiling is also present in the family room. You'll love relaxing by the fireplace and conversing in the open yet cozy ambiance. From this angle, you can see the short hallway where two secondary bedrooms and a hall bath are located. And from this side, you can see where the master suite is tucked behind the kitchen. The master has plenty of windows with view of the backyard. You'll enjoy all this space as well as what the private bathroom has to offer. His and her walk-in closets flank the entrance to the master bath. On one side, you'll find a garden tub and a large tile shower. Personalize this area with privacy glass so you can still take advantage of natural light. Then there's a double vanity with enough storage to keep everything in its place, and a linen closet across from the toilet to keep everything handy. If you'd like to learn more about this modern Craftsman home, House Plan 7283, visit thehousedesigners.com. Please like and subscribe to be notified of future house tours. We might have your dream home in our collection.